Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw Spider-Man from the PS4 game. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and we're gonna start out with the eyes first, and this part is probably the hardest part. I've always found it very difficult to draw Spider-Man's eyes. So let's start out in the middle. We can just draw in. Let's try it this way, like a little bracket like this first. So this is gonna be right in the middle. And then from this bracket here, I'm just gonna curve up slightly and go all the way up. Just give it a little hook on the top. Gonna draw in the same thing on the other side. Okay, so then we're gonna come down. So we just gonna come down almost like straight on each side. And then we're just gonna curve this and close it off. Yeah, it's like one of the hardest shapes that you can ever draw. These kind of teardrop shapes. Alright. And then once you have this, then it gets a lot easier, right? So we're just gonna draw the inside. So we're just gonna follow that line a little bit. And on the bottom, we're just gonna curve all the way around. And same thing here, start here. Just gonna go up a little bit straighter. Curve back down, just follow the same curve. And then let me just shade it in real quick. So that looks a lot cooler. Alright, so then from here, let's draw in the face. So this is gonna get a lot easier. So on the side here, just drawing like two little curves like this. That's gonna be the side of the face. And then we're gonna start turning inward for the jaw. And once you get to the bottom, just flatten it out, close it out. Okay, and then let's draw on the top. So we're gonna curve up. This is a very tricky curve too. And then we're just gonna come all the way back around. Okay, and then we'll add in the all those little webbing details later. So after the head, let's move on to the body, and for his neck, we're just gonna come down from both sides, and then on the shoulder, we're just gonna come out pretty wide. Okay, and then once you have this, come back in here. So we're gonna draw a little bit of detail on the costume. So come back out here. Let's draw two lines straight down. And then we're gonna slant this down all the way to here, but don't get past this line. And same thing here. Okay, so this is gonna be the armpit. It was a little bit weird drawing lines like this, but I don't want to connect the shoulder here. All right, and then once you have that, just kind of pinch it down all the way down to his waist. And then we're gonna go in just a little bit, halfway through, to stop. And then come down, straight down, and then continue the curve, the slant, until you come to a point. Just connect that. Okay, so that's gonna be the top of the belt. So let's just go ahead and finish up the belt. So we're just gonna come straight down on the side here, and then we're gonna draw the same slant as the top one. Alright, so from here, let's work on the arms before we put in the details in the body, because there's a lot of little stuff in here. Okay, so we just fill in the arms really quickly. So here's the armpit, which is extended out slightly. Okay, and then the shoulder, we're gonna come out. And then here's the bicep, so bracket. So here's the elbow. Coming down for the lower arm, we're gonna flare out slightly. And then we're gonna pinch it back in all the way down to his wrist. So curve this one, and this one's a little bit straighter. So all the way down here. And then for his fists, we're just gonna go out. That's his thumb. Back of the fist, just kind of curl it in slightly, and then here's his finger. We just close it off. So we're just drawing it's almost like just an outline. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. Armpit, shoulders coming down, bracket for the biceps. Lower arm, flare out. So you can use the other side for reference so you know how far down. Curve in. Slight curve on the outside. Again, measuring. And then slant. Just hook it for the thumb. Back of the fist. Continue the line and just curl it. Close it off. Okay, so now let's work on the little spider symbol in the middle, which is gonna be probably the hardest part next to the drawing the eyes. Alright, so come down the middle right here, right in the chest area. We're just gonna divide up in different segments. Just gonna draw a circle. And then on the bottom here, we're gonna flare out. We're still drawing the body of the spider. And then it's gonna pinch it back in. Okay, and then once we have this, we're gonna draw in the leg. So this is the tricky part. So we're gonna start out with the top one, which is gonna flare out. And then we're gonna connect it right around here where we had the little angle right there. Okay, and then we're gonna give this some thickness here. So we're gonna draw going out. So it gets a little bit wider. Okay, so that's the top leg, and now let's draw in the bottom one before we fill in the ones in between. So for this one here, come around here. We're just gonna slant it down slightly. Come all the way down here. Okay. Angle in. So this is actually part of the detail, not necessarily the leg. And then the middle here, just come straight down. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw in the leg. So from here, just come up. And then we're gonna pinch it down all the way to the side here. So that's the spider leg. Okay, so now we have one on the top and one on the bottom. So there's gonna be two more inside. So let's go back up here. Slant, slant out. Okay. And then start here, all the way to the armpit area. So that's another spider leg. So let's draw in the other side, up and out. Start here, slant, and then all the way out to the armpit. So that's two. So that's 1, 2, and then now we have to draw one more. So this one's easier. So we're just gonna go out from these corners, and then we're gonna pinch it in, following the same slant as the other leg. So go out, and then this one's gonna be a little bit shorter. Pinch in. Alright, so it gets a little bit messy, but once we color it, it should be a lot clearer. Alright, so after that, let's draw in the details on the arm here. So the arms are a little bit easier. So we're gonna come down here. After this line on this shoulder here, we're gonna continue this curve. Gonna come halfway around there, and then we're just gonna slant it and close it off. Okay, so we're just following this slant here. So come down, and then continue with this curve here, and then this is just gonna follow the slant here. Just close that off. Okay, and then on the top here, one line going this way, one line going here, so we're following this slant. And then we're gonna go all the way down to the arm here. I know it's a little bit weird, but we'll get a lot clearer with the coloring. Okay, so a little angle, and then we're gonna curve, so all the way down to the middle of the arm. Okay, and then once you have this on the wrist right here, come in, and then from the middle here, just draw a little curve. Okay, so wrist, come in, start up in the middle, connect down to the wrist. And then lastly, this thumb right here, so right on the wrist on the corner, which is gonna connect that. So corner, just go all the way down to the thumb. Okay, so these areas gonna have webbings, and we'll do that last. Alright, so let's move down to his legs. So his legs are actually really easy, so not a lot of details. So in the middle, draw a little line, and then we're gonna continue the line here, come out, just kind of curve it in, come down, curve it in, and then for his knee, this little bracket, have it taper in a little bit more. Okay, and then same thing here, out and in, down and curve, and then same thing here, little bracket. Okay, and then lower leg's gonna be really simple. So start up here, slant out, curve, pinch it in, and then here we're gonna come down, and then this part's gonna go out and down. And then we'll just close that off. Okay, same thing here. Flare out, curve in, this one kind of is a little bit straighter, this side. Come down, use the other side for reference. Go out, turn it down, and close it. And then for the detail, we just add it right now because you can only see a little bit of it. So just come down and just draw a little angle like that. Okay, so not much detail there. And then on the hip area here, out, so slant, and then just curve it out. Alright, so now let's draw in the webbings, and I'm gonna be using a smaller Sharpie so I don't make it too messy here. Alright, so let's start on the head area right here. So in the middle here, you can draw just like a little circle first. That's gonna be the middle of with the webbing. And then we're gonna go straight up here in the middle. Okay, and then we're gonna draw one more on each side of here. So we're gonna start here, just slant out. And then on the bottom here, we're gonna start here, and then we're gonna slant it out slightly. Okay, so same thing here. And then now we're gonna draw one right underneath the eye, just kind of come out. And then we'll add in one more here, but you can hardly see that one. Okay, and then after you have all these lines, then it gets a little bit easier. We're just gonna draw in these little cross-section lines. Come across, slant. And if there's space, just kind of slant it up. I'll draw one on the bottom. And then here, so we just kind of draw little angles. Probably one up here as well. Okay. And then the body's easy. So in the middle here, draw one line. And then on this side here, draw another line, just going to the spider legs. And then we'll start here. Okay, angle, angle, and then we're just gonna continue this on the outside. Maybe even one more in here. All right, and then in this section here, let's draw in a line like that, and then we're just gonna keep going up right behind the spider. Okay, and then for the arm here, we're gonna start here and just kind of curve it all the way down, and we can actually continue this. Let's go all the way down. And then once we have the center line, then we're just gonna draw in some lines all the way up. Okay, and then on the bottom, we can start out in the middle, and then we'll just draw in two on each side. Okay, and then same thing here on this side. So I'm gonna start here, curve, and then I'm just gonna continue this line here all the way down. And same thing here, so you can draw in the middle line first. That way we have better spacing. So 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, let's draw in the middle here. And then 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2. Alright, and then the belt area, this one's easy. We're just gonna one in the middle, and then we're gonna slant these to the side. And then lastly, maybe just one line on the side here. And that is it for this version of Spider-Man from the PS4 game. So hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.